This is kind of like our statement of what we aim to do and what we stand for. We are trying to represent our members and what they can do in the UK, to give them more gravity than they'd have on their own as SMEs, and also to try and raise awareness to make open source more accessible and more, well, our mission statement is to make it used widely in all aspects of public and commercial life. So that's happened a lot. 10 years ago, you had to be very techie to use anything open source, I'd argue, whereas now most of us use open source in our daily lives a lot of the time without realising, just because technology is so intrinsic to the way we live. But what we want to do now, as we're evolving, is become more relevant. So we're now in sort of open source OSC version 3, if you like, where we've turned over a lot of members. We've now got to the point, we've spent the last 18 months pretty much figuring out how can we still be relevant? What can we do next? So a lot of the action so far has been top-down in terms of trying to affect policy, promote open standards from the top, if you like, and now we're looking at how we can actually support initiatives which influence bottom-up growth of the industry. So by helping suppliers and supporting initiatives and events. So these are the kind of organisations that we're looking to support and work with, and we do have some involvement with. And we're looking to increase our involvement with sort of user groups and people on the ground, if you like. And the projects for this year are to grow the membership, to increase our weight in the UK, to improve what we're actually doing. We want to create a database of applications which can be used for reference. Our members are putting together case studies where open source has been successful in business. We want to be able to show what our members can offer in a commercial aspect, and really be the go-to place for the UK industry for open source issues, really. And we're planning to do that by events, collaborating with other groups, and improving our website, which has been a long time coming. But it's really just been a few weeks of work, which has actually taken a few months, because OSC is run by volunteers. It's a not-for-profit organisation, so it takes a lot of effort and a lot of time. Just to tell you a bit more about the people involved, we do have a lot of corporate members. These are just a few of them, but we also have affiliate members who want to support us but aren't actively involved, and you can sign up as an individual as well. So if it's something that interests you and you want to find out more or get involved, come and see me.